Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Attorneys. Some benefits of law firm PPC marketing. PPC ads are used by your competitors. To set yourself apart from the competitors, you must be able to attract a large number of potential customers. PPC advertising help you create a relationship with your customers by providing further information about what you do and how other people have benefited from your services. Adjustments can be made right away. Advertising efforts are far from ideal when they first begin. A campaign's fine-tuning can take several months. The capacity to make dramatic, quick modifications to a campaign is a big feature of PPC advertising. Advertisers can make fast campaign adjustments with the touch of a mouse to respond to a runaway spend or capitalize on early signals of success. Clixtell does it better. Clixtell is a software as a service company that provides advanced solutions for businesses and digital marketing agencies, specializing in detecting and preventing invalid click activity in Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns and call tracking services. The company's professional track record is based on expertise acquired by years of experience in developing state-of-the-art software, providing well-established solutions for all types of businesses. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.